Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Eightcap to Tradingview. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is how exactly can you create an account on Tradingview. The first thing I'd like to do is to launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar, and in the search bar go ahead and type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. And once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to connect Eightcap to Tradingview. So for you to connect a broker to a market, then you have to launch the chart of a particular market of your choice. So you can head over here at the top corner where you have all of these tabs, which include products, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. So head over to markets and choose any market of your choice. So right here, I chose the Tesla market, and I have the chart for the Tesla market open. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, for me to be able to connect Eightcap to Tradingview, then I have to check the trading panel for a list of brokers, or to check if Eightcap is in the list of supported brokers. So how do I get to the trading panel? From this chart, head over to the bottom of the screen where you have stock screener, you have Pine editor, strategy tester, you have trading panel. So set it up to trading panel and scroll the way down. So once you scroll the way down, head over to See All Brokers and click on See All Brokers. Then you have to start from the beginning and you have to search easy until you find Eightcap. So here you go, this is Eightcap. So go ahead and click on Eightcap and it takes you right into this window. So over here, you have to add your username in this communication bar and add your password. That's for those who have an existing account with Eightcap. Now, once you're done, go ahead and click on Connect. Remember, by clicking Connect, you confirm that you've read the warning and terms of use and accepted all risks, or you accept all risk. So after doing that, you will see that your Eightcap will be successfully connected to your Tradingview chart. And whatever you want to do on Eightcap can be done in Tradingview after a successful connection. So this is pretty much the process. Then you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.